Fire, fire. Fire.
1, 2, 3.
Quite says evacuation route.
This is our view. Ike. Ay! Baba tayo, baba.
Oh my god, it's so steep.
Yeah, it's a river.
Is it disappointing though?
Look at that.
Yeah. Yeah, you can swim here if you really wanted to.
Yeah, you could, well, you've got to get across that mucky bit first, haven't you? What?
This is the one that I'm dreaming of.
That you're dreaming of?
That I'm climbing like these steps.
And then you're swimming there. I'll take a picture of you guys. Actually, I should be on the other place because it's against the light.
Ano ba? Harap dun, dun.
What? Now you've got the sun.
Look!
Oh, the sea's there, look.
The ocean.
And look! River.
You have a choice.
Oh, lagi na. Picture na.
I'll go. 3, 2, 1. Action.
I didn't notice the steps on the other side.
You wanna do it now?
No. I haven't brought any, well, they're probably quite refreshing actually.
Oh yeah.
I just want to get out of your way in case you fall.
Okay, let's go. Let's find out how good is your insurance. Yeah, you got some parasites in there.
There's one coming down in steps.
Teka lang, baka malaglag na naman ako.
Ba yan? Biglain mo para nakakatawa. Uy, birds.
Pinagpalit mo ako sa
Oh, what's that?
Well, it's a stone, isn't it? Different layers.
Oh yeah, that's pretty cool.
You polished it up. Well,
Oh, now you have a souvenir from here.
you wet it.
Oh. It's pretty cool. Ito malaki. Ito.
Dahan, here. There.
I'm not putting that in my suitcase.
Ah, this one, Duncan. Look.
Oh yeah. It looks like a spaceship. Yes, a flying saucer. Literally.
The UFO. Whee.
You have a nice church.
They use this for procession.
I dare say they do here, yes. Yes, Gus, what's the point?
Hello po. Okay, one more time. Hello. Ayan. Here at 333 steps. I don't know. Find out. Oh, oh my God. I'm catching my breath. Oh, the view. And, oh God.
Quite at the top yet. 333.
Look at the banyo, no? They make a toilet.
And there's just
It's on empty toilet.
down here.
How many toilet is that?
Guarded toilets at the top.
I think they use this because it's a retreat. So this is the church. Here. Look at the surrounding here. It's like unfinished or abandoned vicinity. Huh? Because I can see it from here. You see, there's a lot of like a house with a toilet there, and a lot of seating capacity there. Look at the view. There you go. Very nice, no? Amazing view. Here, 333 steps. Look, I'm so sweat. So sweaty.
Finished it. It's fallen into disrepair, I think, or they just never finished it.
Yeah, unfinished. That's what I said, no? This is the side. Excuse me. That is a nice table there for gathering. Oh, so here, there's another. The sides is the mountain. And in front of us is the sea. Mindoro. Pacific Ocean, no? That is Pacific Ocean, right?
Yeah.
Very nice here. On top of the 333 steps. This is our view. Yeah. Meh. Thank you. Come again. There you go.
How was the hike up there?
The steps were a lot shallower than this.
Oh yeah.
But yeah,
So it's not that bad.
we stopped a couple of times on the way
Yeah.
up there.
Yeah, I was looking at it from up there. It's like far.
Yeah, I mean, it's a good view, obviously,
Yeah.
but there's, I think there's a retreat or something, this place. Because
Yeah.
it looks like there was footings for a small house or something.
Oh.
And there was a separate shower and toilet,
Yeah.
like, remaining, like that structure. The actual house doesn't exist.
I see.
But yeah, weird. And there are lots of them as well.
There looks to be
Small
cottages, right? Like
Yeah,
on the
yeah.
sides. Ang tagal mo.
Nagbasa-basa pa kasi ako doon pero parang wala yatang wala na. Hindi na naka-record.
Ano yan? Henry, go back. Come on, let's go.